Welcome back to Ride With, the place where we dive deep into everything motorcycling. If you're passionate about bikes, reviews, and the latest in the world of two wheels, you're in the right spot. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Today we're diving into a much-awaited release, the 2025 Royal Enfield Bullet 350. Buckle up as we explore everything you need to know about this iconic machine. The Royal Enfield Bullet 350 has been a staple in the motorcycling world for decades. Known for its vintage charm, distinctive design, and an engine that's built to last, it has earned a loyal following. But the world of motorcycles is constantly evolving, and in 2025, Royal Enfield is set to redefine its flagship Bullet 350 with some exciting upgrades. Now you might be wondering, what's new? What can we expect from this updated version? In today's video, we'll break down everything from design changes, engine specs, technology features, and performance upgrades to how this new model stacks up against its competition. One of the first things you notice about any Royal Enfield is its design, and the Bullet 350 continues this tradition. The 2025 model is expected to retain its classic retro style but with some modern touches. Let's talk about those first. The 2025 Bullet 350 will carry forward the iconic round headlamp, which remains a hallmark of its design. However, there will be subtle changes in the shape and the lighting setup. Expect LED lighting with improved brightness and energy efficiency, giving it a more contemporary feel without compromising its vintage charm. The tank will still feature the signature teardrop shape but will come with a slightly sharper contour. The matte and glossy paint options will still be available, but we can expect more vibrant and unique colors for this new version, likely with some special edition options. For the first time, Royal Enfield might also offer different finishes on the tank. Imagine a gloss black with gold pinstriping, or even a matte olive green finish, enhancing the nostalgic appeal of the Bullet while pushing the envelope with fresh styles. Moving to the bodywork, the 2025 Bullet 350 will continue with a characteristic double cradle frame, ensuring durability and a timeless look. However, the overall proportions may change slightly to provide a more comfortable ride, especially for taller riders. The seat will get an upgrade too, now offering improved cushioning. The look is still that vintage solo seat style, but with updated ergonomics to enhance long-distance comfort. The pillion seat will still be an option, designed for practicality, but it's likely to be better cushioned than before. We can't forget about the wheels. Expect spoke wheels, as Royal Enfield's classic touch remains intact. These will probably still be 19 inches at the front and 18 inches at the rear, giving the Bullet that signature stance, coupled with modern tires that offer better grip and durability. The 2025 Royal Enfield Bullet 350 will continue to feature the trusted 349cc air-cooled, single-cylinder engine, but with some key enhancements. For starters, it is likely to receive the new J-Series engine platform, first seen in the Meteor 350 and Classic 350. This means improved engine refinement, better power delivery, and more efficiency. Expect a maximum output of around 20 horsepower, which might not seem like a lot when compared to some of its competitors. However, the Bullet's appeal is not about sheer power, it's about torque and reliability. The Bullet 350 is built for a smooth, easy-to-ride experience, especially for long-distance cruising and daily commuting. Speaking of torque, expect around 30 N of torque, which will be available at lower revs, giving the Bullet 350 that characteristic grunt that has made it so beloved. This means great mid-range performance, making overtaking and climbing hills easy, even when you're loaded with luggage. The engine will likely continue to be paired with a 5-speed gearbox, and there will probably be a slipper clutch system, allowing smoother gear shifts and reducing strain during deceleration or downshifting, something that newer riders will appreciate. On the fuel efficiency front, the 2025 Bullet 350 will likely continue the tradition of offering great mileage. We're looking at figures around 35K/L, depending on riding style and road conditions. The Royal Enfield Bullet 350 is known for its comfortable ride, and the 2025 model will take things a step further. The suspension setup is likely to get a significant upgrade. The front fork will likely still be a telescopic unit, but it will feature improved damping, making it more responsive to varying road conditions. The rear will retain twin shock absorbers, but these will be tuned for a better balance between comfort and stability. The frame itself will be reinforced to make the ride more stable, especially at higher speeds. This will make the Bullet 350 feel more planted on highways, while still remaining nimble enough for city commutes. The ground clearance is expected to remain similar, so the Bullet 350 will handle most road imperfections with ease. However, it's always important to note that the Bullet 350 isn't designed for aggressive off-roading. So, while it can handle some light trails, it's more suited for highways, city streets, and country roads. One of the biggest areas of improvement for the 2025 Bullet 350 will be in technology. Royal Enfield has been improving the tech offerings across its range of motorcycles, and the Bullet 350 will not be left behind. The new Bullet 350 will likely feature a digital-analog hybrid instrument cluster, which means you'll still get that vintage feel but with a more modern twist. Expect a digital readout for the trip meter, fuel gauge, and possibly even an onboard diagnostics screen, which could be a first for the Bullet. Royal Enfield may also introduce Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to pair your phone with the bike for hands-free calling, navigation, and media controls. This will be a great feature for riders who want to stay connected while on the go. The 2025 Bullet 350 will likely also come with a switchable ABS system, something that will be appreciated for added safety, especially on slippery or wet roads. Some markets may even see the option for dual-channel ABS, providing greater control in more challenging conditions. On top of that, expect better lighting all around, not just in the headlamp, but in the taillights and indicators as well, which will use more energy-efficient LEDs, improving visibility and longevity. Pricing is always a crucial factor for motorcycle enthusiasts. The 2025 Royal Enfield Bullet 350 is expected to come in a few different variants, with prices ranging from the base model to the more premium configurations. While we can't pinpoint exact numbers yet, expect the Bullet 350 to stay competitive in its segment, priced between Rzone $0.80 lakh to Rsto $0.20 lakh, ex-showroom. Royal Enfield might also offer a range of accessories to customize your Bullet, including special edition tanks, seats, and panniers for long-distance touring. This will give you the option to personalize your ride and make it even more unique. Now let's take a moment to compare the 2025 Royal Enfield Bullet 350 with its competitors in the market. It faces stiff competition from motorcycles like the Jawa 42, Honda CB 350, and the Benelli Imperiale 400. While each of these offers unique features, the Bullet 350 remains a classic, with a deep connection to its roots, making it a favorite among retro enthusiasts. Compared to the competition, the Bullet 350's biggest strengths are its proven engine, comfort, and that unmistakable thumping sound. While it may not have the most cutting-edge features, it offers a ride that's more relaxed, and that's what many riders love about it. So, there you have it, the 2025 Royal Enfield Bullet 350. It's a bike that stays true to its roots while embracing modern upgrades, making it an even more attractive option for both veteran and new riders. With improved design, technology, and performance, the Bullet 350 is poised to continue its legacy as one of the most iconic motorcycles on the road. Do you think the 2025 Bullet 350 is going to live up to expectations? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome motorcycle content. Thanks for tuning in to Bruhanja. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 Royal Enfield Bullet 350. We've got plenty more exciting reviews, comparisons, and updates coming your way. Until next time, ride safe and keep the wheels turning.